Your exhaustion is real, and your biology is under attack. For women, working the night shift isn't just tiring. Clinical studies show it increases the prevalence of poor sleep by up to 30% compared to day work. This is a silent epidemic of circadian disruption. According to research highlighted by Harvard Medical School, this desynchronization is a profound stressor on our health, accelerating processes we strive to slow down. It's a conflict written into our very cells, but one we now have the science to resolve. Why are women uniquely vulnerable? The answer lies in our intricate hormonal architecture. The constant exposure to artificial light during night shifts directly suppresses melatonin, our master sleep hormone. This effect is often amplified in women due to our natural hormonal fluctuations. Furthermore, studies measuring heart rate variability show significant reductions in key markers of rest and recovery in female shift workers. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's a measurable physiological strain on your system day after day. The consequences of this chronic desynchronization are profound. Research consistently links shift work to a higher risk of cardiovascular events and systemic inflammation. Think of it as a low-grade fire constantly burning inside your body. On a microscopic level, your cell's ability to repair DNA damage, a process that happens most efficiently during deep sleep, is compromised. This is the biological mechanism that can accelerate aging, impacting everything from your skin's collagen to your brain's clarity. The data is clear. Disordered sleep is a direct threat to female longevity. Now, we begin the reset. The first 72 hours are critical. The core principle is anchoring your sleep, even on days off. If your last night shift ends at 7 a.m., your new bedtime is 9 a.m. The goal is a consistent 8-hour block. To achieve this, you must manage light with absolute precision. Upon finishing your shift, wear dark blue light blocking glasses for the journey home. No sunlight exposure. Conversely, when you wake in the afternoon, immediately expose yourself to 30 minutes of bright, natural light. This strategic light exposure is the most powerful signal you can send to reset your master clock. Next, we perfect the sleep environment and internal chemistry. Your bedroom must become a sanctuary, cool, completely dark, and silent. Blackout curtains are non-negotiable. We must also control stimulants. Your last cup of caffeine should be no later than midnight halfway through your shift. While a long nap feels tempting, it can damage your main sleep block. Instead, a short 20 to 30 minute power nap just before your shift begins can significantly improve alertness. These sleep hygiene protocols are not suggestions. They are evidence-based interventions proven to lower poor sleep scores and restore physiological balance. For women facing persistent challenges, we must employ more advanced strategies. If your schedule allows, advocate for forward rotating shifts, moving from morning to evening to night. This pattern is more aligned with our body's natural tendency to delay its internal clock. For the deep-seated sleep disruption that feels like insomnia, cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or CBTI, is the gold standard. It restructures your thoughts and behaviors around sleep, creating a powerful, sustainable adaptation. In specific situations, a low dose of melatonin from 0.5 to 5 milligrams can be used strategically to anchor the new sleep schedule. But consistency in behavior remains the most potent tool you have. This is about rewiring your brain for resilient sleep. Now,